Hi guys, we have 4 qualifiers so far. Abhishek Pratapan and Suresh from the first round. And yeah, I know. So I guess Rishi and Abhishek Kinkre are no Abhishek Pratapan, right?
Yeah, that he
Yeah.
was the guy
How
who
did
told
you
us to
get
join.
that good? There's no one else in the group of it. Just the two of them sitting.
No. And from the second round, we have Bhavesh and Vijit. So we'll just start the third round. All right. So first question goes to Abhishek Kinkre.
Good luck, man. Good luck with this.
So, Abhishek, how many Canadian clubs are involved in the MLS? You can just name the cities. I don't. It's okay if you don't know the club names.
Um, uh,
I need a number and the names of the cities.
I know only one which in which Henry was playing. It was Toronto, I guess. That's all I can come up with.
So I'll give you the sequence of points. I'll give 6 points for guessing the right number of teams, and 2 points each for 7 points for the right number of teams, and 1 point each for each city.
Okay, so clearly one is
You're
not
gonna be
the
the
right
number,
answer.
no?
So one is not the right answer. Okay, if I can I go again?
Sure, go on.
I'll go with 4.
Not 4. Passing to Satish.
I'll go with 10.
Sorry.
Not 10. Passes to Pawan. You're on mute, Pawan.
Yeah. So I think there are 3 clubs. One is Montreal, Toronto, and Vancouver.
Okay, awesome answer. I'll give 1 point to Abhishek Kinkre for getting Toronto right. And the other 2 clubs are Montreal and Vancouver. So Pawan gets 9 points and Abhishek gets 1. The next direct is Rishi's direct. Rishi, Cristiano Ronaldo won this in 2009. James Rodriguez won it in the first time in the World Cup 2014, while Heung-min Son won the last one in 2020. What did they win?
I think this is the FIFA Goal of the Year equivalent.
I need a specific name for it.
Who? It's named after some footballer. I'm forgetting.
Can you raise the hand if I know the answer?
It will come to you.
Okay, I'm just thinking loud. It can be Pele or Maradona, but that'll be too obvious.
So when you think out loud, you give hints to the others as well. So
Okay, my bad. I think it's Eusebio Award, right, for the best goal.
No, passing to Kinkre.
Damn.
Puskás Ferenc Puskás Award.
Puskás, man.
Is the right
Fucking
answer.
hell.
Great answer, Abhishek. 10 points to Kinkre. The next direct goes to
Thank you,
Satish.
Rishi.
Hey, I gave the answer for the best goal, man. FIFA goal. What? You're crucifying me for not getting the name.
I needed the exact answer.
Cool.
Next question, Satish. Who scored the decisive goal for Barcelona in the 6-1 victory against PSG in the 2017 Champions League quarterfinals? So they needed to win 6-1 to qualify.
Yeah,
and someone scored the 6th goal. Who's the person?
The defender, I forgot his name. I remember the goal. Pass.
Passes to Pawan.
Sergio Roberto.
Sergi Roberto is the right answer.
Neymar with the assist. Do I get any
Neymar put the cross into the penalty criteria. Yeah.
Awesome answer. 10 points to Pawan. The next direct is Rishi's direct.
Again?
Yeah, because
Okay, got
Yeah,
it. He got
passing
it.
a lot. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't get that.
So, which player has appeared the
Oh,
most
come on,
number of
dude.
times on the FIFA cover?
Come on. Ooh. Cristiano?
Not Cristiano Ronaldo. Passes to Kingsley.
Fuck my life.
Zidane.
Not Zidane. Passes to Abhishek Satish.
Messi.
Not Messi. Passes to Pawan.
Wow. Oh, okay.
You're on mute, Pawan.
If all the answers are over and it's just like random guessing, so I would like to go once more.
No, he'll give a hint.
I'll
after
give
this.
a hint after this.
Okay.
So if
And
Pawan
it'll be
doesn't
fine.
get it,
Is it Wayne Rooney?
Rooney is the right answer. Great answer, Pawan.
Oh God, dude.
10 points to
You guys took all my guesses actually. I was left with who else? You
Sorry,
have to
Neymar
be
is the best
legends.
player.
yeah, so he made it
Okay.
on the cover from 2008
My-
to 2014.
My answer would have been Messi actually because Messi was taken Rooney.
Hmm.
So next direct goes to Rishi again. Rishi, which two football greats have won the African Player of the Year award for a record 4 times? Both of them have represented Barcelona before moving to the Premier League at some point in their careers. So there are two names, 5 points for each name.
Samuel Eto'o
Okay.
and Yaya Toure.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Great answer, dude. Great answer. Yaya Toure and Samuel Eto'o are the two footballers. One moved to Chelsea and the other to City. So the next direct goes to Abhishek Kinkre. Abhishek, the English musician Elton John was a lifelong fan of this club and also donned the role of its chairman for a while. Which club are we talking about?
Is it Watford?
Yep.
It is.
Great answer.
Yeah.
Watford
Nice.
FC, and he was the chairman for 2 years. The next direct is Abhishek Satish. Abhishek,
Yeah, that's
identify
the
this
easy
player
one, man.
who missed the
Oh, come on.
penalty in the 94 World Cup to hand the title to Brazil.
Maradona. I don't know.
Not Maradona. Passes to Pawan. You're on mute, Pawan.
Kaka?
Not Kaka.
Hey,
Can I go next?
Roberto Baggio.
Roberto
man.
Baggio. Awesome. Great answer. 10 points to Rishi. And the next direct is Abhishek Kinkre. Abhishek, Baichung Bhutia is the first Indian to sign a professional contract with a European club. Which club did he sign?
Was it Queens Park Rangers?
Not QPR. Passes to Abhishek Satish.
Birmingham.
Not Birmingham. Passes to Pawan.
Southampton?
Not Southampton. Passes to Rishi.
Is it Sporting Lisbon?
Not Sporting Lisbon. We'll go back to Abhishek Kinkre. And shit, I don't know the hint for this one. Hang on, I'll have to Google.
Just give us a country. I think country should help.
I don't think the country would help. It's
That will be more precise, maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
Like the first and the last letters, and the remaining few in the middle.
I'll give you everything. The club name starts with B, and they are known as the Shakers.
And Blackburn Rovers.
Not Blackburn. Passes to Abhishek Satish.
Pass.
Passes to Pawan.
Bury FC.
Bury FC is the right
Oh,
answer. 5
damn, good one.
points
Good
to
crack.
Pawan. Great answer, Pawan. So he signed with Bury FC. You can see Shakers in the background.
Any
So-
points for guessing the name of the manager?
So we're done with 8 questions, and now we'll reverse the order. So I will start with Abhishek Satish since Pawan got the last answer. So Abhishek, Dean Thomas from the Harry Potter series was a fan of an English football club. Name the club.
Uh, Liverpool, I'll just guess.
Not Liverpool. Passes to Kinkre.
It's an English club. Otherwise, I would have gone with Celtic. Southampton, is it?
Not Southampton. Rishi.
Dude, I didn't know Harry Potter had like football references.
Yeah, it wasn't very brief.
I think it'll be some obscure club. Is it Wimbledon FC?
Not Wimbledon FC. Pawan.
If this had come in movies, I would have got 10 points. It's West Ham United.
Yup, West Ham is a great
Oh,
answer.
damn.
10 points.
Damn.
So this is a snap from the movie where he had a banner of
Great.
West Ham United.
Oh, wow.
10 points to Pawan. Next
Can we just
is,
see the scores? Can we just check the scores if possible?
yeah, it's
Dude, that guy's winning by margin, man. We're just playing catch up.
How many are qualifying? Is it only one or two?
Top two will qualify to the finals.
You can take Pawan out. Let the rest of us compete.
Hey, let me remind you, last
Take
week
Abhishek
I
Pratap
lost
out, man.
pretty badly.
Take Abhishek Pratap out, man.
Gladly, he's always late. Right. So the last answer was Pawan's. Pawan. So we'll move to Abhishek Satish. Abhishek, connect these three people in terms of World Cup achievements: Mario Zagallo, Franz Beckenbauer, and Didier Deschamps.
I can go if he's passing it.
Yeah, it will come to you, King Gray.
They all won 2 World Cups. Like
No,
they
passes to.
coached and played and won the World Cup. They played and coached and won the World Cups.
Right. Okay, I'll give it to you. So they won the World Cup as player and manager. So 10 points to Abhishek Satish. Great crack. So, next is Abhishek Kinkre's direct. Where did Tottenham play their home matches before it was closed in 2017?
White Hart Lane?
White Hart Lane is the right answer. 10 points to Abhishek Kinkre. Great track. Next is Rishi's direct. Rishi, which country is the football club FC Santa Claus based in?
Oh, God. Is it Norway?
No, Norway. Passes to Pawan. You're on mute.
Netherlands?
Not Netherlands. Passes to Abhishek Satish.
Russia.
Not Russia. Passes to Kinkre.
Is it Argentina?
Not Argentina. So we'll go back to Rishi for 5 points. Rishi, we are looking at. So you were close with your answer. Said Norway, and that was close.
Santa Claus, right? Okay. There are 3 options. Okay, let's go with Iceland.
Not Iceland. Passes to Pawan.
Not Norway. Finland?
Finland is the right answer.
Oh, God.
5 points.
Total guess. Total guess. Northernmost countries. You don't have much options.
5 points to Pawan. Great answer.
Good one.
Next is Abhishek Satish direct. Abhishek, identify this player who was killed after scoring an own goal in the 1994 World Cup.
Oof. I can go for this.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Okay, passes to Kinkre.
Pablo Escobar.
Killer, dude.
No, I didn't get your answer.
Escobar.
I'll give you Escobar.
Hey, Rishi.
Andres
No,
Escobar.
Pablo
Andres
Escobar
Escobar.
can't be the name, no? The player?
Andres Escobar.
Andres Escobar. Sorry.
Cool. I'll give it to you. 10 points to Kinkre. Good track. The next is Rishi's direct. Rishi, which player has scored the most goals at the World Cups? Straightforward question. Who has the highest goals at the World Cups?
Dude, I can see his face. Who's the German guy, man? Shit.
So you're giving hints to everyone when you
Oh,
say that.
sorry. I
इसको
can
कौन
see
बोला
his
है?
face. Oh God.
This is why I go on mute when I'm talking loud, talking to myself.
Sorry.
Thinking,
thinking.
loud. Thinking loud, yeah.
Shit, I'm completely blanked out. What is the guy's name? I'm blanked out, dude.
Okay.
I think it
You want to take a guess?
starts with K. For fuck's sake, Cruise K. keeps
Should I
coming
go?
to mind. Hey, Miroslav Klose.
Awesome.
Oh.
Great
If
answer.
it starts with KK, closer, and passed it on, it would have been a loss.
Well, it did come closer.
Miroslav Klose, yeah. Rishi
Oh,
gets
God.
10 points. The next direct is Pawan's direct. Pawan, this player nearly saw the end of his career and life in 2011. He was playing as a defender for Groningen FC when he was diagnosed with a deadly bacterial infection. After I ate so much rubbish, the appendix was affected. I kept eating bad things. The appendix burst, and it was a very tough time, he recalls. Who is this Premier League great who has represented 2 clubs in the EPL so far?
Okay.
So the keywords are defender and 2 EPL clubs.
Sorry, whose direct is this?
Pawan. It's Pawan's direct.
Yeah, got it.
Is it Rio Ferdinand?
Not Rio Ferdinand. Passes to Abhishek Satish.
Is it Vidic?
What? I didn't get you.
Vidic.
Not Manja Vidic. Passes to Kenkre.
If Groningen is a Dutch club, is it Virgil van Dijk?
Ah,
Van
damn.
Dijk is a very good answer.
it's
10
not.
points to Kenkre.
It is, right?
Van Dijk, yeah, it's Van Dijk.
Yeah, Van Dijk.
Great track. So Abhishek gets 10 more. The next direct is the last of the quiz, and it goes to Rishi. Rishi, which was the first side to appear in a televised match on BBC on 16 September
What the hell?
1937?
How can it be 2 sides? I mean, there'll have to be 2 sides, no?
प्रैक्टिस मैच था रे अपने अपने में खेल रहे थे.
I can't say more.
Which is the first side to appear in a televised match in BBC 16 September 1937. BBC है लंदन का ही कोई क्लब होगा. It can't be Chelsea, can't be. Is it the Arsenal?
Yes, it was Arsenal.
Great
They were
answer.
playing against their reserves. Great track,
Oh shit!
Rishi.
They were playing it.
Yeah. So yeah, we came to the end of the quiz pretty fast. Power play
This
chal
is
raha
fun,
tha.
man.
Yeah. You were supposed to take a break midway and give the points and shit.
Yeah, so I'll just share the points right now. Abhishek Kenkre finishes on 51. Abhishek
Whoa.
Satish is on 10. Pawan is on 10, 14, 49.
What?
And Rishi is on 40. So
Nice.
Abhishek Kenkre and Pawan go through to the semis. Awesome quiz, guys. Some great answers. Pawan ka khel.
This is the fastest
Thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you.
ever.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much, Rohit.
Thanks for organizing. Good. Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
inviting
Thanks,
us.
man.
Thanks, Rohit.
Awesome.
Chal,
Cheers,
Rishi.
guys. Good luck for the semis.